Hello students, continuing with chapter 8 application of integrals. Today we are taking certain special examples of miscellaneous exercise 8. Let us start off with question number 13, which says, let me read it. Using methods of integration, find the area of the triangle ABC whose vertices are A is 2, 0, B is 4, 5 and C is 6, 3. So as per the coordinate geometry, we have drawn the triangle. Now we have to find the area. Now let us see how you can find the area. From 2 to 4, the area bounded by the line AB is the triangle AB. We can call it as D also. Okay. And from 2 to 4, the triangle bounded by, or the area bounded by the line AC will be this particular area. White triangle below that pink triangle. So we have got almost half of the pink triangle. So we have divided that into two equal parts. Okay. Now from 4 to 6, the area bounded by line BC is this one. Okay. You can say it as a trapezium BCED. Whereas from 4 to 6, the area bounded by the line AC is this particular, the white trapezium below the pink one. So the area of the triangle has been divided into two parts, which we will be finding through integrals. But do we know the area, equation of the line AB? No, we don't know the equation of line AB. So how we will find the equation of line AB? So for AB, equation as per the formula will be y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So the area of the equation of the line AB will be 5 by 2 into x minus 2. Okay, y is equals to 5 by 2 into x minus 2. Similarly, equation of BC will be y minus y1 is equals to, we can take any one, either B or C as x1 y1. This is the choice which you have with yourself. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Sorry, it's 6. Okay, so it is y minus 3 is equals to 2 upon minus 2, that is minus 1 into x minus 6. So equation will be y is equals to 9 minus x. Okay. What about AC? Let us find the equation of line AC also. Y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So y is equals to 3 by 4 into x minus 2. So we have got the equation of all the three lines. Sometimes these equations are given to us. So by solving any two equations, we will be getting their intersection points. That means we can get the coordinates of point ABC also. Okay, in this way we will be getting the equations. Now area of the triangle ABC, that we will write area of triangle ABC is 2 to 4, area bounded by line AB, correct? Y of line AB dx minus 2 to 4 y of line AC dx, correct, plus 4 to 6 line of BC, जो area y of BC include किया था, that we have discussed earlier, y of BC 4 to 6 y of line BC dx minus 4 to 6 y of line AC dx. You can also, this is what we have segregated in terms of two parts, but if you directly want to write y of AB from 2 to 4 and y of BC from 4 to 6 minus 2 to 6 y of AC, you can also do that. Okay, so there is no harm doing this way also. हम इसको सेक्शन वाइज कर रहे हैं, वहां पर हम इसको डायरेक्ट कर देंगे. y of AB is 5/2 into x minus 2, 5/2 into x minus 2 dx. So we have taken all in terms of y only. What about AC? 3/4 x minus 2, 3/4 x minus 2 dx plus 4 to 6 y of BC, it is 9 minus x. We'll write 9 minus x dx minus 4 to 6. The limit for this is 2 to 4. Minus 4 to 6 y of AC is this. So students, you can solve it easily. So solve it and you will be getting the answer. Okay. Now let us take one more. Now in question 16 we have to find the area bounded by the curve y is equals to x cube, the x-axis and the coordinates minus 2 and 1. So I've written this, we have drawn the diagram and we have shown the shaded region. As we have discussed earlier, the portion below the x-axis, that is the green part, that will be a negative part. So we will have the modulus of this particular part, and from 0 to 1. 0 is our origin. Okay, O is the origin. So from origin to point 1, it is on the positive side, represented by the orange part. So the area bounded will be minus 2 to 0 y of x cube, matlab direct x cube, and it has to be in the modulus, plus 0 to 1 x cube dx. There is no need to write that negative side में इसलिए modulus लगा रहे हैं. Just solve it, you will be getting the answer. But please make sure that whenever you are finding the area with respect to x-axis, any portion below x-axis is always, मतलब horizontal x-axis के नीचे जो area that is always negative, put it in modulus. Okay, there is no need to write any explanation for that. So in question number 17, it is being asked to find the area bounded by the curve y is equals to x modulus x, x-axis and the ordinates minus 1 to 1. So first of all we have to see what actually this curve y is equals to x modulus x will look like. So as we know, for the modulus functions, if x is positive greater than equal to 0, the value of the function will be y is equals to x square. But if x is negative, तो ये माइनस का x हो जाएगा, मतलब लेस देन 0 के लिए the function will be y is equals to minus x square. So we have to find the area between line minus 1 to 1. Again, from minus 1 to 0, the area bounded is below the x-axis. That means this pink portion will be having a negative value, modulus में लेना पड़ेगा, and this sky blue portion, this has to be taken in positive. So minus 1 to 0, it is, since less than 0, we will say minus x square dx, and that too in modulus. So area bounded will be this form only. So we are talking about area bounded by the curve, correct? Plus 0 to 1, ये तो positive side में है ही, और ये होगा x square dx. So I hope you will be able to solve this question also. Now let us take question number 15, which says we have to find the area bounded between the curves y square less than equal to 4x and 4x square plus 4x square less than equal to 9. As we know that y square is equals to 4x is a parabola symmetric with respect to x-axis, and this 4x square plus 4x square is equals to 9 can be written as x square plus y square is equals to 9 by 4, which is 3 by 2 squares. Hence it is a circle whose center lies at the origin 0, 0 and whose radius is 3, 2, 3 by 2. So we have drawn the circle as well as the parabola, and the region bounded between these two curves is represented by yellow and red part on above the x-axis, which are positive part, and green part which is below the axis. As we know, the shaded region is the required bounded region and it is symmetric with respect to y-axis. Hence, we will find the area above the x-axis and multiply it by 2. So the area bounded can be written as 2 times 0 to 1 by 2. 0 से लेके हाफ तक जो पैराबोला ने बाउंड किया है वो वाला एरिया, और हाफ से लेके 3 by 2 तक जो सर्कल ने बाउंड किया है वो वाला एरिया. सो 0 to half y of parabola dx प्लस 1 by 2 से लेके 3 by 2 तक y of circle dx. ओके, और ये 2 से मल्टीप्लाइड है तो हम इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज इट? It is 0 to half y of parabola is 2 root x dx. Am I right? Yes, we are right. Okay, plus 1 by 2 से लेके 3 by 2 तक y of circle, what it will be? Root 9 minus 9 by 4 minus x square dx. 9 by 4 is 3 by 2 का square. Okay, so it can be written as 2 times 0 to 1 by 2 2 root x dx plus 1 by 2 से लेके 3 by 2 तक अंडर रूट 3 by 2 का स्क्वायर minus x square dx. Okay, now I hope students you can solve the questions. Still, if you have any problems you can ask me. In the meantime, stay home, stay safe and enjoy application of integrations. Do revise them because it is an important topic, not only in terms of coming in the high half yearly examinations but for the board point of view. So have a good day. Thank you.